Hi guys, this is Boy Binky. I'm back for another video. Today I will show you how to fix more than one account with the same phone number on Twitter. If you appears message like that in your Twitter account, you probably have more than one account in your same phone number that Twitter don't know what account you want to log in. If you need to fix this problem, you need to use the email or username you have to log your account. Once you have logged your account, go to Twitter and change your phone number. Go to account. I can go to account. From account you can change your phone number. You can delete or update it with the different phone number that we can. I hope that fix your problem, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see new stuff, and see you next time guys. Bye bye.